Today, I'll walk you through how to animate text in Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to add animated text to your snaps so you can make your stories more engaging and fun. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app and take a photo or video. This is the canvas where your animated text will come to life, so make sure to capture something interesting. Once you have your photo or video ready, look for the text icon, which resembles a letter T, located in the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on that icon. This will open up a text box where you can start typing. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The functionality remains the same. Now type your desired text. For this example, I'll type the word test. You can choose any word or phrase that fits your snap. After typing, you'll notice options to change the font style, background, positioning, and even the color of the text. Feel free to experiment with these settings to find the perfect look for your message. It's like dressing up your text for a special occasion. Next, if you want your text to move along with a moving object in your video, here's a cool trick. Press and hold the text while dragging it over the object you want it to follow. This creates a dynamic effect, making your text appear as if it's part of the action. It's a bit like choreographing a dance between your text and the video, and it can really elevate your content. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, simply save your snap or share it directly with your friends. And there you have it, you've successfully animated text in Snapchat. This feature allows you to add a personal touch to your snaps, making them more lively and engaging for your audience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.